A qualified additional dependent is defined as a child belonging to one of the parties, not both, to whom that party owes a duty of support. The child must be age 18 or under. The child can be 19 but must be in high school. We will present some example cases to help you determine if there is a qualified additional dependent in your case. In all examples, assume that Joe and Mary are getting a divorce. They have a child together. Joe has a 12-year-old son from a prior marriage in his custody. Joe may claim one qualified additional dependent. Click the down arrow and select one. Mary has a child, Susan, from a prior marriage. Susan is 10 years old and lives with her dad. Mary is ordered to pay child support for Susan. Since Mary is ordered to pay child support for Susan, she may not claim a qualified additional dependent. Since Mary has been paying $500 per month in support for Susan, she may enter the support paid as a deduction. Scroll to Child Support Prior Order and enter the amount for the year that is being paid. In our example, that amount is $6,000. Mary has a child, Jenny, who lives with her and Joe. Jenny is 16 years old. Jenny's father pays child support to Mary for Jenny. Mary may claim Jenny as a qualified additional dependent. For your information, the money received by Mary in child support for Jenny is not income to Mary. You would not add that money to Mary's income. If you are unsure if the child is a qualified additional dependent, keep in mind these rules. 1. The child belongs to one, not both, of the parties to the pending case. 2. The child must be age 18 or under and dependent. 3. You must have a legal obligation to support the child. 4. If you under order to pay support for the child, you are not allowed to claim the child as a qualified additional dependent. You will be allowed, however, to deduct the support you are paying for the child. If you are confused or unsure, please contact an attorney of your choosing. Go to iowasupportmaster.com and click on the link Unbundled Legal Services. There you will find a list of lawyers who are willing to provide services to prepare a Form 1 for you for a small fee.